A biometric fingerprint scanner is a useful device for individuals as well as business owners who want to augment security and prevent unauthorized access and use. Most devices are based on a USB interface and are easy to install. Price primarily depends upon the level of security that one wants to establish. Each device follows a generic identification process, but the sensitivity and locking mechanism differs. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Biometric Fingerprint Scanner. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Reumur Windows Hello Fingerprint Reader. Your fingerprints are your keys to log in quickly with a touch on your Windows 10 OS, maximum touch area, more sensitive touch for Windows Hello on personal computer and laptop. 360 degrees omnidirectional fingerprint induction identification. Small size, lightweight, easy to carry. Anti-deception through unique security techniques. Support storage for external storage devices. Upgrade your computer and quietly encrypt files. Number 4. DDSKY Biometric Fingerprint Scanner. 360 degree fingerprint matching, providing a more accurate and responsive performance than traditional optics. Password-free sign-in and gives you the fastest, most secure way to unlock your Windows devices. Compact design and small. Support multiple fingers and multiple accounts up for flexible configurations. It has a built-in smart learning algorithm with biometric finger reader is equipped with the latest scanning technology which makes your fingerprint matching faster and faster. Number 3. Bent's Fingerprint Scanner for Laptop. Adopting the uniqueness of one's fingerprint features to prevent unauthorized access to your computer. Log into Windows with your fingerprint instead of your password in just 0.05 seconds, faster and more securely. Designed specifically for Windows 10 Hello features. Plug and play, easy to use. Automatically installation under good internet connection. Advanced protection, safely protect your logins and data with state-of-the-art fingerprint security. Number 2. Arcanite AKFSD07 Fingerprint Reader. Your fingerprint is all you need to sign in. With Arcanite USB Fingerprint Reader, you can effortlessly sign into your Windows Hello PC. The reader has a 360 degree fingerprint detection range that can easily detect from any angle with precision and speed. Log in faster and more securely, designed specifically for Windows 10 with Hello features. Advanced protection, safely protect your logins and data with state-of-the-art fingerprint security. Number 1. Kensington K67977WW Fingerprint Reader. Kensington is expanding that expertise to data security by introducing the world's first fingerprint security key to support Windows Hello and Fast Identity Online Universal Second Factor Authentication, the Mark Fingerprint Key. Fingerprint Reader with advanced fingerprint technology combines superior biometric performance and 360 degrees readability as well as anti-spoofing protection. One-way conversion of biometric data into a proprietary template format prevents recreation, reverse engineering.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.